Hey guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and spending the good day with the great condition of your health. And I am here with my another video and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And my this video is about some different length of heels in really amazing design, really beautiful color combinations, and really pretty and unique kind of heels. And as you see, this V shape from the front makes this heel more amazing and more beautiful, and this feather kind of thing looks really nice, a very amazing kind of heel. And this heel looks really different, a very beautiful kind of gray kind of color, and a really unique and beautiful design. And this heel also looks really pretty, a great very nice and beautiful color combination. And watch this video till the end, and then you will get some ideas about the different kind of heels that can help you to upgrade the collection of your heels and make it more interesting and more pretty and beautiful. And as you see, this heel also looks really nice, very beautiful black color of heel that looks really pretty and amazing. And as you see, this one is also a very beautiful kind of white color of heel, and it looks really nice and amazing. And as you know, heel can give you a temporary height boost and help you to look taller than your actual height. And heel intricate embellishments like bows, studs or crystals that can make your heel more amazing and beautiful. And if you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon and like this video, comment on this video. So bye bye and take care, and thanks for watching this video till the end.